Welcome to the Liquidware Spotlight series. My name is James O'Regan and I'm a product marketing manager at Liquidware. In this first series, we're going to look at Command Control. You may ask, what is Command Control? Command Control is a SaaS-based help desk remediation software that allows you to manage any Windows workspace anywhere by simply launching an agent. We all know there's been a massive shift to work from anywhere. In fact, IDC reports that 60% of US workers will be remote by 2024. But what about the IT admins managing all of those remote endpoints? This is where Command Control comes in. It allows you to monitor and remediate endpoints anywhere in the world. In the series, we will delve into and demo all of the features of the upcoming Command Control release. In the first episode, we're going to do a brief overview of the following features: real-time metrics, real-time diagnostics, roles, task manager views, multi-tenancy, scripting command prompt, dashboard view, login details. I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the link in the description to access the beta program. Let's get started. To access Command Control, simply open up a web browser, put it in the URL, and then you're greeted with the login screen. So you simply click in Sign In. It then requests your email address. I enter in my email address and my password, and I hit Continue. And this simply will start logging me in, and then I'm presented with the Command Control console. So straight away, what I'm going to do is I am going to click on the Machines view. What the Machines view gives you is an overview of all of the machines within your tenant. So you can see the machine's license, you can see the machine name, the domain name, agent, and when it was last seen. Obviously, this is just one tenant. So if I have access to multiple tenants, I click here, and then I have the option to switch from one tenant to the other. And I may have several tenants. So it just gives you the flexibility to be able to manage multiple tenants. And then if I look at my account, if I go to my profile, I can see my role, I can see the tenants as well, and I can see when my account was created, and I can see my email address. So that's all the kind of things around profile. As you can see, we've got roles. There's various different roles we have, so we can support the full RBAC. But if I go back to my machines view, and then if I click on one of my machines here, what that does is essentially it loads all of the real-time metrics for this machine. So this is all live data that is coming in from this machine. So you can see, you can see when the agent last connected, you can see the system properties, you can see the domain, boot time, processor, platform, manufacturer, model, BIOS. You can see the location. This is in our lab in Atlanta. You can see the session that's active on it. This is a virtual machine, so it is running a VMware VDI session. You can see the top CPU consumers, RAM consumers, disk, network, CPU utilization, memory, disk. You can see the display protocol. It's using BLAST, and you can see how much is being sent, latency, packet loss, etc. You can see the Ethernet and the GPU. And also here, any task that is initiated on these machines, you can see here. You can also go to the diagnostics. So this is a series of diagnostics you can run on the machine. I'm going to pick a speed test. So if I just click on speed test, then it's going to start running a speed test. And as everyone knows, it's very important that with everyone working from anywhere, that you have good Wi-Fi. And that is one of the biggest issues we see around remote endpoints, is that, there's issues with the networking wherever the person is working from. As you can see from this one, there's no issues whatsoever. So I just click back to my dashboard. I'm back to this view. And then also what I have is my task manager. So I can look at all the processes running on this machine, And, if I see one that is acting up, I can even terminate that process. And then with services, same with services, I can start a service, I can stop a service, I can restart a service, or I can even disable a service. And if I go to performance, I can, look in a bit more depth at my CPU utilization. Same with memory, same with disk, Ethernet, and my GPU. If I go to startup, I get an overview of what is enabled at startup, and then I can see a sampling of my login time. To finish, we'll take a brief look at our shell. So if we open shell, it connects up, and you can see we're into PowerShell, and I can run any different PowerShell commands I want. But in a future video, we're going to go a bit more in depth to this. So just want to say thanks very much for watching this overview of Command Control. Look out for more videos to come, and tune into liquidware.com. Thanks very much.